a buddy? Well, everybody. But Buddy Valastro, Cake Boss, is an especially good buddy to have. Whether we're at home or back to work, Buddy always comes with the sweets, the treats, the best. And even at a pasta party, who doesn't want a little something after? Here's Buddy Valastro from home. Love you, Buddy. You're the boss.
Hey Rach, Buddy Valastro, the Cake Boss here, and I just wanted to say to everybody out there in the country, I know these are crazy times, but we are going to get through this. I want to give a special shout out to all the essential workers, especially the healthcare workers. You guys rock, putting your lives at risk. I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart. And Rach, thank you for having me on. I know that you're upstate quarantined. I'm quarantined here in New Jersey. And I know you don't like to make dessert, so you gave me a call. So let's make something sweet. Let's make some churros, baby. So to make churros, it's very simple ingredients that everybody has at home. So I'm gonna start with 1 cup of water, 6 tablespoons of butter, and we're gonna make a choux. It's the same base as you would for making cream puffs or eclairs at home, but we're gonna deep fry it. 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. I put this on my stovetop here, and I'm gonna let this come to a roaring boil. Now we're just gonna pour 1 cup of flour in here. I should have used a little bigger pot here. All right. See, we're gonna get a nice cooked dough here. So now I'm gonna go from here right into my KitchenAid. And I'm gonna mix it. I add an egg 1 at a time. This is gonna take 4 eggs. Now I'm gonna make cinnamon sugar. I got 2 cups of sugar and 2 tablespoons of cinnamon. Pinch of salt. We're multitasking here. Get this oil nice and hot. I wanna get it to about 375, right? Pipe a line and drop them in. Cut them with the scissor. It's a churro. Who likes a churro? I'm gonna fry these for like 3 to 4 minutes. So now, I'm gonna take out our churros. Roll these guys in here. Roll. Well, you got a chance to tell me how they taste. Churro delicious. I hope you guys had fun. I had fun today. We love you, Rach. Stay safe. See you next time.